Looking for powerful, reliable, and budget-friendly centrifugation? Meet the refurbished Hettich Rotina 380R. Precision performance without the premium price tag. This refrigerated benchtop centrifuge reaches speeds up to $15,000 RPM and generates up to 21,180 times the force of gravity, giving you fast, consistent separations every time. It comes equipped with a 4-position swinging rotor and adapters for both blood tubes and 50mm falcon tubes, ideal for clinical labs, research centers, and biotech applications. With a spacious 4x 290 ml capacity, adjustable temperature from 20 to plus 140 degrees, and programmable runtimes up to nearly 100 hours, the Rotina 380R is designed to adapt to your lab's unique workflow. Store up to 98 custom programs and switch easily between modes, short spin, continuous, or time. Its low impact on manufacturing makes it a sustainable choice too. Best of all, it's been fully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by the technical experts at Galileo Scientific. So you get performance you can trust at a fraction of the cost. Powerful, reliable, ready for your lab. The Hettich Rotina 380R from Galileo Scientific. Science spins here.